ஓம் சகனாவவது சகனௌ புனக்து சக வீரியம் கரவாவகை தேஜஸ்வினாவதீதமஸ்து மா வித்விஷாவகை. ஓம் சாந்திஹி சாந்திஹி சாந்திஹி. The Vedic people worship gods through rituals and sacrifices to the gods. These gods feature in the four Vedas. The Vedas say that Brahma as the creator made gods and humans mutually dependent on each other. Gods possessed power but did not have the capacity to make their own food. Humans did not possess power but had the ability to make food. So gods helped the humans and the humans in turn provided food for the gods. The food was received externally through sacrifices burned in the fire and internally through the digestive fire of our stomach. The important gods and goddesses mentioned in the Vedas are Indra, Varuna, Agni, Rudra, Mitra, Vayu, Surya, Vishnu, Savitra, Pusan, Usha, Soma, Ashwins, Maruts, 8 Vasus, 12 Adityas, Brihaspati, Bhaga, Ritha, Rebus, Yama, Manyu, Prajanya and Saraswati. Indra. Rigveda has 250 hymns for Indra. He is the lord of the heavens. Vayudevata is his friend and servant, and his advisors are the Vasus. His vehicle is a white elephant called Airavata and has a weapon of lightning called Vajrayudha. He fought many demons and brought victory to the gods. His abode is near the Mount Meru and he loves Amruta. He is also known for disguising himself to win over women. Varuna. He is the lord of the sea. He knows everything happening in this world. He is the lord of natural law and order and oversees righteousness and justice through his 1,000 eyes. He has been dedicated 46 hymns in Rigveda. He is the guardian of the western direction. Agni. He has 218 hymns in the Rigveda. Since the fire was used to offer sacrifices, he is considered as a messenger between humans and gods. Agni Deva uses a ram as his vahana. He hinders or favors farmers' efforts. Vayu. He is symbolized as a breath giver or prana. The 12 hymns dedicated to him in Vedas describe his beauty. He is the lord of thoughts, beauty, and intelligence. Surya. Surya means sun. He was called Savitra in Rigveda. Surya rides a chariot made from gold and 7 horses and pulls it simultaneously. He has 8 hymns dedicated and the Gayatri mantra was originally dedicated to him. Yama. Vedic hymns describe him as Lord of Justice and King of the Dead who uses his mace and noose to punish or drag dead to his world. He supervises deeds performed by people and gives them punishment. His vahana is a buffalo. He also possesses 2 dogs who have 4 eyes and wide nostril. They guard the doorway to Yamaloka. Rudra. Rudra is fierce and well built. He is golden in color with braided hair. He is strong and adorns himself in golden ornaments. Rudra has fear-inspiring abilities such as that which causes disease. He also possesses milder characteristics such as the ability to heal. Rudra is also believed to be an early form of Lord Shiva and they are often referred together as Rudra Shiva. Mitra. He is the guardian of the world along with Varuna. Mitra is associated with the morning light while Varuna is associated with the night sky. Vishnu. He is a kind and loving God. He is the protector of the people. He upholds the heaven, the earth and the living creatures. Savitra. He represents the hidden sun. It's the sun before the sunrise and after the sunset. Pusan. He protects the people from wild animals and does not allow them to stray onto dangerous paths. Usha. Usha is dawn. She is the goddess of light and beauty as she brings light and everything beautiful into the lives of the humans. Soma. He is the god of inspiration. He is the strength of gods and mortals and keeps everyone stable. He is also the lord of speech. Ashwins. They are twin deities and are the brothers of Usha. It is believed that they come to the earth thrice a day and help mortals by providing them heavenly medicine. Maruts. They bring about huge storms and brings darkness even during daytime. 8 Vasus. They are the attendants of Lord Indra. The 8 Vasus are earth, water, fire, wind, pole star, moon, and light. 12 Adityas. The 12 Adityas are the 12 lords of light. They represent the 12 months in a year or the 12 spokes of a clock. They bring light to the world and drive away the darkness. Brihaspati. He is the friend of Lord Indra and is considered to be the giver of wisdom and wealth. He drives away diseases and protects them from enemies. Bhaga. Bhaga is the son of Aditi and he is the giver of blessings and gifts. Rita. Rita is the god of rhythmic patterns. She determines the way the planets assign themselves, the way the seasons come and go, the cycle of life and death, etc. Ribas. Ribas are skilled craftsmen. Manu. Manu is considered to be the lord of war. He fights and slays the enemy and removes evil. Prajanya. Prajanya is the lord of rain. He can make plants grow through rain. Saraswati. Saraswati is the goddess of the river. She has 7 sisters. She is the helper of gods. She punishes people that look down upon God. She is also a giver of water to the people. Om Namah Shivaya.